Just look at my insane crypto wallet. If you're dreaming of making the same type of money as me, just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step by step on how I did it. When meme coins initially blew up, I spent months on months of my life trench grinding meme coins every single day. But every time I put my money inside the coin, I don't know why, but it just kept getting rug pulled. Actually, let me take that back. I actually do know why meme coins gets rug pulled every single day on the blockchain. That's because the developers and the creators behind these coins, when they launch them, they simply just remove the liquidity and they profit a shit ton of money. And that's exactly why I switched to a new strategy. Now I can essentially print money out of thin air and even make thousands with just a couple clicks of a button. And the best part is that you can repeat this strategy over and over again until you're rich and satisfied. The secret is essentially to stop trading meme coins and to start creating them. Essentially, everyone who is rich and famous in the crypto niche is doing it, and us regular people, we cannot afford to miss out. We have to secure the bag and we have to start launching these coins. And the best part about launching coins is that, first of all, you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time. But of course, this video is purely 100% for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes only, so yeah, do not copy me. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's head straight to the point. So to create your own coin, you want to come to launchtoken.Fun. On this exact website, which is the only site that exists, is the only site that allows you to launch coins with no coding required on the Radium DEX. Now, if you're familiar with Pump.Fun, this website doesn't work anymore. The market caps don't get high enough, and also it's too saturated. Too many coins are being created every single hour, and it's simply too saturated. So we have to be launching coins on the Radium DEX if you want to get a higher market cap. For example, if I go on Radium and I just look at the market caps, 8K, 10 million, 4 million, 40,000, 40,000, 50,000. But if we go on Pump.Fun, you're gonna see the major difference, 9K, 13K. That's bad, bro. It's all bad. So we have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun if you want to make some money. Now you have two different options, okay? The first option is to make your coin manually on the Radium DEX by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So for example, if Elon Musk or someone big tweeted, or if a meme dropped, well, you could come here and make your coin manually. So I would put Elon Musk, token symbol, Musk. You can put your image, which can be literally anything you want. And the second option is actually for the people who are lazy like me and that doesn't want to do the whole marketing side of the coin and they want to make some instant gains right now. Well, you could actually come to the copy coins feature right here and you can duplicate and replicate any coin that has a good narrative. Essentially, every single coin that pops up here is filtered to be good and to bring you some buyers instantly. So bro, you have nothing to lose. You just have to launch your coin and make some money. I'm even gonna do a live example to prove that this shit actually works, okay? Because bro, all these coins are all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. So you are listing these back up on the Radium DEX, which will get a way much more higher market cap, so way more money to be made. Okay, I've personally made thousands off this coin, of this feature, and even people in my Telegram and in my Discord have printed. So the butt chain coin right here just caught my attention. It has 400 replies and a $35,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. After that, I'm gonna go inside my Phantom. Then a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. It's just Phantom tweaking. Just proceed and continue. Okay, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly, well, duplicated shortly. Boom. Now click on create liquidity pool, and here is really simple. Make sure you select the right coin. As you can see, I have a bunch of coins because I'm printing money every single hour. So yeah, butt chain. Here, select your Solana balance, easy. Here, click on 90%, or you can do max, but I like to keep 100 million coins inside my wallet, so when it goes up, I can clip I can sell a bit of money when it goes up, you know what I mean? And the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. You are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. So don't trip, you're getting your money back after you remove the liquidity. So you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 Solana. My bad if I'm talking fast, I'm trying to go through this quick. Now click on create liquidity pool, and then a pop-up should come here. Yep, yes sir. Then do proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then click on refresh, and boom, it popped up. You're already $14 in profit. Now click on view on photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot at the moment. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, bro, we just got a $350 buy in 1 second, but he sold right after, bro. What the fuck? We're getting so many buys in. It's pumping a lot, yo. Okay, if you want to check your profits, you can come to launchtoken.Fun and click on refresh. Here you can see your profits. I'm $3 in profit. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. What the hell? It's pumping a lot. Yo, y'all are seeing this live on fucking footage, bro. Look at this, live on video. I'm not gonna lie, bro, this has to be the most fun job in my life. Like, I'm just launching coins and then fucking just sending the coin after. Now guys, look at this, 3, 2, 1, boom. So here I just sold my 100 million tokens, so it dipped a lot. And when the coin drives up a lot, I'm simply going to come here and you know what I'm going to do? Oh, ha ha ha. Now it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, yo, should I remove the liquidity or not? I think one more and then I'm doing it. Fuck it. Okay. Oh my god, it's pumping. Okay, I'm gonna remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtoken.Fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, we have to go fast, bro. Load. My PC is fucking shit. Boom, 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 and boom. We just remove the liquidity out of the coin, and that's exactly how you print money out of freaking thin air. And if we open the chart to see what happened, as you can see, damn, I feel bad a bit, but whatever. Game is game, right? And if I open my Phantom wallet, $454 is inside my wallet. So I made around $350 off this one launch. So launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. Go make your first coin. Go make some money before it becomes too late. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, comment your Solana address, like, comment, subscribe, and now bye.